In my last video, I talked about why I often travel solo. Today, I'll give you a peek into a typical day in my life here in Seoul, South Korea. During my month or two long stays, I don't live like a tourist. Instead, I spend my days working from cafes, taking walks through parks, and eating where the locals do. Today, I have an errand to run for my brother, but first, let's grab lunch. The exciting part about what I do is that I get to meet like-minded people who reaches out on Instagram. This place was recommended to me by Sense and Sensibility, and there's barely any tourists here. Even though I've been in Seoul multiple times, being here in this part of the city is my first. So halfway through lunch, I received a message from a staff at DJI that the Osmo Pocket 3 my brother wanted is back in stock. So here I am at Chamsiu's Lotte department store. This is always sold out in Singapore, or you have to pre-order, but a tip for you guys, if you're looking to get stuff from DJI, it's slightly cheaper here in Korea, and with the current exchange rates plus tax refund, it's definitely a steal. Even though I'm accumulating miles, for my everyday expenses, food, groceries, etc., I'm using the Trust Cashback card that provides a 1% instant cashback. And once you factor that in, the exchange rate beats all other multi-currency cards. But for a big ticket item like this that costs a few $100s, I pair Amaze with Citi Rewards to earn 4 miles per dollar. Earlier, using the Trust Cashback card for lunch, the rate was 1069.50, but for this transaction, using the Amaze pairing, it was 1038.85. Weighing the two options, I found it more worthwhile to pay $21.65, which is the amount I would have saved had I used the Trust card to earn 2,988 miles. This is my preference. I know people who accumulate miles just go all in using the Amaze pairing while they're overseas, but because I'm living here, my food costs, etc. isn't that high, and I'd rather get the best rates possible. But for a big ticket item like this, Amaze is my go-to. A quick message from today's video sponsor. Longbridge is a licensed investment brokerage platform that is currently giving new users 1 Apple share or 1 Nvidia share when you fulfill some deposit requirements. Longbridge supports Singapore, Hong Kong, and US stock markets with commission and platform fees starting from as low as 99 cents per order, plus lifetime commission free for Hong Kong and US stocks. So if you're investing in the US stock market, you'll only be paying a platform fee of a minimum 99 cents per order. Longbridge user interface, in my experience, is pretty user-friendly. They offer insights into a company's financials, latest news, and what's interesting is their Pod AI, a first in the finance industry that helps with general financial questions. When you sign up with my link in the description box below and fulfill the respective criteria, you'll receive up to 1 Apple share, 18 SGD coupon, and an 8% interest boost coupon worth up to 27 SGD. And if you're looking to score yourself an iPhone 16 Pro Max, perform a share transfer in and fulfill the respective criteria to qualify. Other transfer in tiers also rewards you with stock cash coupons or an AirPod. More details can be found in the description box below. Let's get back into today's video. Let's go.